Hello viewers, let's continue our Leetcode 75 series, and now we have to solve the question on DP, which is multidimensional, and now we have to solve the first question on DP multidimensional is unique path. So there is robot on a M cross N grid initially located at the top left, means the 0 cross 0. Okay, uh, the robot was at the 0 0 and you have to move bottom right corner, means at the right at the corner bottom. So the robot can move only either the down or a right. The robot can move either the down or either the right. Okay, you have to return the minimum number of a unique path that can be that that can be robot to reach from bottom to right. Okay, I have already solved this question, that's why it was there. So let's understand with an example. Let's suppose this is the grid of size 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1, the row is 3 and column is 7. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the robot is standing here and it has to reach here. Okay, so either he can move right or bottom. Okay, so you just have to move this, either you can move to this or like this or like this. So the number of possible ways is 28. Okay, you can check it by your own by trying this. So yeah, you can check it. So M is given a number of rows and N is given a column. So let's try for 3 and 2. Okay, so the row is given 3 and column is given 2. Okay, the robot is standing here and it has to reach here. Okay, so how many number of possible ways is either bottom right, 1 2 and 3. There are 3 possible ways, so you just have to return the 3. Okay, so I I hope you understand this question, that what this question is telling you. So let's create long res equals to 1. Okay, and then int k equals to m plus n minus 2. Okay, and then int r equals to, which is minimum of m minus 1 comma n minus 1. Okay, and then you have to do for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to r, and then I plus plus. You have to check if res equals to res multiply into k minus r plus I and then divided by I. Okay, and after this loop you just have to return int res. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.